How to buy stuff on Shein with Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn whether or not it is possible for us to buy stuffs on Shein app with Cash App. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have money on Cash App, you want to buy and shop from the Shein app using a Cash App balance, you open the Shein app, you maybe add some products that you want to buy to your cart. So let me as well go ahead and do that. Let me just select any products as you will be able to find it, and I'll just add them to my cart after selecting a size and color. Once I've done them, let's say I just go to checkout and then I just select checkout option. Now over here it'll ask me to enter my shipping details and so on, and once I've entered my shipping details, I'm just going to come back. Now Shein app currently does not actually go ahead and then accept your Cash App as a payment method. So far Shein and Cash App has not been working together. What you can do is you can add money from your Cash App to your Cash App card, right? If you have Cash App card, then you can use that to purchase it, and then you can simply enter the card details on the Shein application whenever you're under the payment method page. Or you have credit or debit card, you have other payment options such as PayPal and so on, or you can do it with the Visa gift card as well, or you'll also be able to redeem a gift card in this case, but you cannot directly use Cash App. There are some indirect ways you can load the money to your bank balance and then just top up with your bank balance and so on. But so far Shein and Cash App has not been working together. Hopefully if they do so in the future, I'll make sure to update about it as well. Hope this video helped you guys understand the question. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.